Looking for a faster way to research a topic, Claude AI can help you gather information, explain complex concepts, compare ideas, summarize sources, and organize your findings more efficiently. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Claude AI for research in 2026. So let's get started. First, sign in to your Claude AI account and click New Chat. Starting with a fresh conversation helps keep your research organized. If you're working on a large project, you can also create a project to keep related files and conversations together. Next, explain what you're researching. Include the topic, your goal, the level of detail you need, and any specific questions you want Claude to answer. Detailed prompts usually produce more focused research results. If you already have research papers, reports, PDFs, or notes, upload them to Claude. You can ask Claude to summarize the documents, compare information, identify key findings, or answer questions based on the uploaded files. Combining your own documents with clear prompts often leads to better results. Continue the conversation by asking follow-up questions, requesting comparisons, exploring different viewpoints, or asking Claude to explain difficult concepts in simpler language. Take a moment to refine your questions if you need more detailed information. Ask Claude to organize your research into outlines, summaries, tables, timelines, or action plans. This can make your information much easier to review later. Structured notes are especially helpful for large research projects. Before using your research, review Claude's responses carefully and verify important facts using reliable sources, especially for academic, legal, financial, medical, or other high-stakes topics. So you've successfully learned how to use Claude AI for research, and that's how to use Claude AI for research. Whether you're studying for school, preparing business reports, exploring technical topics, or learning something new, Claude can help you research more efficiently while organizing complex information into clear, useful insights. The more specific your questions and supporting materials are, the better your research results will be. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.